Ever wonder where you can experience the most breathtaking wildlife encounters on Earth? Africa's safari parks offer a front-row seat to nature's greatest spectacles, from majestic lions to roaming elephants. Get ready to explore the wildest destinations where adventure awaits at every turn. The iconic Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. The Serengeti National Park, located in northern Tanzania, is one of the most famous safari destinations in the world. It covers approximately 14,750 square kilometers, 5,700 square miles, and is renowned for its vast open plains, stunning wildlife diversity, and unforgettable landscapes. The name Serengeti comes from the Masai word stringent, meaning endless plains, perfectly capturing the park's wide horizons and sprawling grasslands that seem to stretch infinitely. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Africa's most vital ecosystems. It is home to an extraordinary array of animal species, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and safari lovers alike. The Serengeti is best known for the Great Migration, a natural spectacle where over 1.5 million wildebeest, 200,000 zebras, and 300,000 Thompson's gazelles journey across the park in search of fresh grazing grounds. This annual migration is one of the most incredible wildlife events on the planet, attracting tourists from around the globe. The migration typically starts in the southern Serengeti in December and moves northward through the central and western regions, eventually crossing into Kenya's Masai Mara by mid-year. The perilous river crossings, particularly at the Mara and Grumeti rivers, are highlights of this journey, where predators like crocodiles lie in wait, adding drama to the event. Kruger National Park. Kruger National Park is one of Africa's most famous and expansive wildlife reserves, covering nearly 20,000 square kilometers in northeastern South Africa. Established in 1898, it is one of the oldest conservation areas in the world, providing sanctuary to a stunning diversity of wildlife, including the Big Five: lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhino. The park's varied landscapes, from savannas to dense bushland, support over 500 bird species, 150 mammal species, and countless reptile species, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. What makes Kruger stand out is the accessibility and range of experiences it offers. Whether you're seeking luxury or an authentic wilderness adventure, the park caters to all types of travelers. Luxury lodges, self-catering camps, and guided safaris offer a chance to spot wildlife both on the ground and from aerial perspectives like hot air balloons. The park's extensive road network allows visitors to explore independently in self-drive vehicles, providing a flexible and immersive experience. Game drives and walking safaris, led by experienced guides, offer intimate encounters with the park's diverse wildlife. Okavango Delta. The Okavango Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the most remarkable natural wonders in Africa. Formed by the Okavango River as it spreads out into the vast Kalahari Desert, this inland delta transforms into a lush, water-filled paradise during the annual flood season. Its seasonal flooding creates a diverse and dynamic ecosystem, supporting an astonishing variety of wildlife. Visitors can witness large populations of elephants, lions, leopards, and hippos, alongside hundreds of bird species, from African fish eagles to colorful kingfishers. The sheer abundance of life in this oasis makes it a top destination for safari enthusiasts looking to experience the untamed African wilderness at its best. What truly sets the Okavango Delta apart is the unique safari experience it offers. Instead of traditional game drives, visitors can explore the delta's maze of waterways in a mokoro, a traditional dugout canoe, offering a tranquil and immersive way to see wildlife up close. This safari method allows visitors to glide silently through the water, coming face to face with animals in their natural habitat without disturbing the environment. Mokoro safaris provide access to remote islands and lagoons, where some of the most elusive creatures, such as the Sitatunga, a swamp-dwelling antelope, can be spotted. It's this blend of serenity and adventure that makes the Okavango Delta such an extraordinary safari destination. Etosha National Park. Etosha National Park in Namibia offers a truly distinct safari experience, largely due to its vast salt pan that dominates the landscape. This expansive white terrain, which can be seen from space, was once a lake that dried up thousands of years ago. Today, the salt pan stretches over 4,800 square kilometers, creating a stark, almost lunar-like environment that contrasts dramatically with the surrounding savanna. The park's name, Etosha means Great White Place, reflecting the bright, reflective nature of the pan, especially under the African sun. Despite its seemingly desolate appearance, Etosha teems with wildlife, particularly around the park's waterholes. These natural and man-made water sources are vital to the survival of the animals, attracting a wide array of species such as elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras, and rhinos, as well as many antelope species like springbok and gemsbok. During the dry season, these waterholes become the prime locations for game viewing, offering visitors a front-row seat to the interactions of predators and prey. The abundance of wildlife makes Etosha one of the most accessible and rewarding safari destinations in southern Africa. Chobe National Park. Chobe National Park, located in northern Botswana, is renowned for having one of the largest concentrations of elephants in Africa, earning it the title Elephant Capital of Africa. With over 120,000 elephants roaming its vast landscapes, the park offers a breathtaking experience for wildlife enthusiasts. The herds are particularly prominent along the Chobe River, which serves as a lifeline for the animals during the dry season, attracting them in massive numbers. Visitors can witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, often engaging in playful interactions or quenching their thirst at the riverbanks. The number of elephants here is unmatched, making it a must-visit destination for safari-goers. Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. Bwindi Impenetrable Forest National Park, located in southwestern Uganda, is one of the most biodiverse and ecologically rich areas in Africa. This UNESCO World Heritage Site covers approximately 321 square kilometers and is home to various flora and fauna. The park's dense rainforest is interspersed with a network of trails, making it an ideal habitat for the critically endangered mountain gorillas. Bwindi is one of the last remaining sanctuaries for these majestic creatures, with around half of the world's population residing within its boundaries. The unique combination of ancient trees, ferns, and diverse wildlife creates a breathtaking backdrop for an unforgettable trekking experience. Addo Elephant National Park. Addo Elephant National Park, located in the eastern Cape of South Africa, is a remarkable conservation area that has gained international recognition for its successful elephant rehabilitation and protection efforts. Established in 1931 to save a small group of only 11 elephants from extinction, the park has since expanded significantly and now encompasses over 450,000 acres of diverse ecosystems, including dense bush, open grasslands, and rugged mountains. Today, it is home to more than 600 elephants, making it one of the densest populations of elephants in Africa. The park's ongoing conservation initiatives not only focus on elephant welfare, but also aim to protect various other species, including lions, buffalo, rhinos, and a wide array of bird species. Zambezi National Park. Zambezi National Park, located in Zimbabwe, is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, but offers a unique and breathtaking safari experience. Spanning over 56,000 hectares, the park is characterized by its diverse ecosystems, which include riverine forests, open savannas, and rugged hills. The Zambezi River forms the northern boundary of the park, providing a vital water source for wildlife and creating stunning landscapes that attract photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. This picturesque backdrop sets the stage for exciting wildlife encounters, particularly during the dry season when animals flock to the river for drinking water. Each park offers a unique glimpse into the breathtaking wildlife and diverse ecosystems that make this continent so special. If you enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting explorations. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive.